Now let's start. Today we'll be looking at a percentage yield. So the question says 63.5 grams of iron 3 oxide reacts with excess of carbon monoxide to produce 35.6 grams of iron during extraction of iron from its ore hematite according to the following equation. This is the equation that you are given. Iron 3 oxide reacts with carbon monoxide to produce iron and carbon dioxide. And the question says calculate the percentage. Sorry, I forgot to include yield. So they want the percentage yield of iron. That's what they want in this question. So you write solution. That's what you need to know to do. So what you're going to do here is simple. Before you go any further, you must ensure that the equation is balanced. Is the equation balanced? So let's write this equation first. Iron 3 oxide reacts with carbon monoxide to produce iron plus carbon dioxide. So this equation isn't balanced. So as we are balancing it, just put a 3 here, 2 and a 3 here. 3 atoms of carbon and here 3 atoms of carbon. 3 atoms of oxygen plus these 6 atoms of oxygen here. 6 atoms of oxygen. So the equation is already balanced. So now they want us to calculate the percentage yield of iron. Now when you look at the form for percentage yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100%. So now we need to know the actual yield. So now let's collect data. Our actual yield in this question, we know that it reacts with excess of carbon monoxide to produce. Actual yield is the amount of product that is produced at the end of the reaction. So what was produced here? Find that the amount of iron that was produced, it was 35.6 grams. That is the amount. So now this amount which is produced, that will be our actual yield. Now for the theoretical yield, we have to use the balanced chemical equation. So now, where will our emphasis be? They gave us the mass of iron, right? Now, of iron 3 oxide. So between with iron 3 oxide and the iron, since they want the percentage yield of iron. So now, let's find the relative molecular mass of iron 3 oxide, Rm of iron 3 oxide. How many atoms of iron are there? 2. What's the mass now for iron? 56. Plus, how many atoms of oxygen here? 3. Multiplied by its mass number 16. So now we punch on our calculator. 2 by 56. We are getting 112. 112 plus 3 by 16. We are getting 48. So 48 plus 112, that gives us 160. So we got 160. So now we also go for iron. We just get the way it is with its coefficient. So iron will be like this. Iron is equal to 2 by 56. The mass number of this, in order to find its relative molecular mass, so it will be 112. That's the relative molecular mass of iron. So now what you're going to do next is say iron 3 oxide to iron. This one we got to 160. This one 112. Now what is the mass for iron 3 oxide? That is 63.5. Here x, we don't have the mass for iron. We cross multiply 160 by x and 63.5 by 112. So here to be 160x is equal to, so now we punch on the calculator. Is it 63.5 multiplied by 1? 63.5 multiplied by 112, we get 7,112. Now this number, we divide it by 160. How much are we getting? Divide by 160. We get 44.45 grams. So what we are going to do next in this question, so this amount which you got, that is our theoretical yield. That's what you need to do. So now we use the formula percentage yield. Percentage yield is equal to actual yield over theoretical yield multiplied by 100%. So actual yield, that is we got how much our actual yield, that's 35.6 grams. That's what was produced, remember, in the first place. Then our theoretical yield, that is 44.45 multiplied by 100%. And bear in mind that theoretical yield is always greater than actual yield. If you know, when you are calculating, then you find that actual yield becomes greater than theoretical yield. That shows that you made a mistake when you are calculating. Always theoretical yield is greater than actual yield. So we multiply 35.6 by 100, we get 3,560 divided by this one. Yeah, how much are we getting? Now this number we divide by 44.45, we get 80 point, so we round off that number 0.9%. Then you are done. Thank you for watching. God bless you.